Today I'm going to introduce the Loongson App Store and the Loongson install package. You can see this is Loongson Loongnix 3A4000 CPU. So I'm going to install. So before you haven't installed the package installer, there is no terminal. It's very inconvenient. You need to go to the terminal there and type the path there, cd, the path of the rename it. So you copy the name of the file of the db package and sudo dpkg and -i and copy the name.db and install it, which is so inconvenient every time you need to do it if you don't have the package installer. So that's the time when you haven't installed the package installer. So you go to the Baidu and you search for the 龙芯应用合作社. So you go to the app.longapps.cn. So you go inside, you can have a lot of software over there with mostly 3A5000 with Loongson instruction set. So first of all, you need to install this 3A4000 software installer, install package installer. So after downloading it, you can just install it and you can drag the DB package to there and type your password and you can install it, which is very convenient, right? Before I showed you, it was not so convenient. So you need to go to the terminal and type the command dpkg to install it. Now, after installing the package installer, so you can just drag the file directly there and then install it, just like in UOS and other Windows installer. So we install .exe file, which is so convenient. And the second app is this, the App Store 龙芯应用合作社. This is the website version. So 3A5000 has WeChat, but 3A4000 has no WeChat, which is not good. I hope they will improve it, and sooner or later 3A6000, the ecosystem will be very abundant, I can say. Now 3A5000 also have so many softwares now, and plus it can binary translate with the binary translate the x86 apps to Loongson, which is good. So you can see there are a lot of softwares. So after downloading the apps, so there are only 3A4000 apps only. So all the 3A4000, no 3A5000. You can see QQ Linux and everything there, and Chinese version of Timura, 向日葵, and others like Eclipse, QQ, Visual Studio Code, and Vocal Screen, and Putty, Browser, and Meeting, Audacity, everything, 美图秀秀那些美图 Game, and CodeBlock, PyCharm, Eclipse, LibreCat, everything you can download it, which is so convenient comparing to you just type it on the terminal for the command for installing apps. Now it's different and very convenient. And for the PyCharm, you go to the official PyCharm website. There is no Loongx or Loongson version. So this PyCharm, you cannot install it. If I type Google or Baidu, type Loongx or Loongson PyCharm, no, there is only x86. So you go to official website, also x86 Linux version only, or maybe ARM but no Loongson version. That's why you have to go to the Loongx, the app longapp.com to install the Loongson, the Loongson 应用, the Loongson store, App Store, so that you can download it directly from there or the website, the Long app. Okay, alright. Now I'm opening it a little bit slow. It takes a lot of time because the 3A4000 is not so fast CPU. I think 3A5000 will be better, and 3A6000 will be the mainstream level of the Intel generation 11. So I'm expecting it. So you can see I executed is 12. A plus B is equal to 12. Yeah, correct. So we close the price jump, which is running perfectly and everything works fine. And you can see the software, so many code block it keeps, PyCharm, Spider, VS Code, and everything you got. Software, browser, TeamViewer, Chinese version, PuTTY, and also other things, game or LibreCAD, or others like game, VLC, logo screen, everything you can have. This is the web version. You can see 3A5000 and 3A4000 together, and now you can install. There are some problems of that. Installing failed. I think I need to try again. Maybe lacking some dependency or something, so maybe I need to track it. Let's see. I will try again. Okay, but if you go to the App Store, you can just directly download, which is so convenient. So directly download and install it, and they will automatically install. You don't need to type any command, or don't need to use the package installer to install the DEB app. The file you don't need to install manually, just install it, and they will install. After installing it, you can just directly open it and execute it, and the OS and on the Linux OS installed, so you can directly check it out on the directory as well. Oh, it takes a little bit time. Maybe there are some problems, I don't know. Maybe I need to try to install another game, because maybe some that kind of problems, I don't know. It's just stuck here, suspending there, stuck there. I don't know why. Let me check it to install another game. Maybe there are some problems. It takes a little bit longer time comparing to the normal status. I don't know why. Still installing. Okay, yeah, install finished. So I opened it, now working fine. Another game, let me see. Oh yeah, also installed it. So LTRIS, okay, install. So I played it successfully. Okay, right? Yeah, cool. Close it. And you can also check it on the game section, the game directory. You can also see the wall, yeah. And the LTRIS, let me check it. The game is the Wolf, yeah, Wolf there are. And Wolf, yeah, and LTRIS also there. So on the directory successfully installed, yeah. So with the App Store, you just click install and they will automatically install. You don't need to use the package installer as well, and you don't need to type any command, which is convenient. So now I'm going to try the package installer, because unsuccessfully installed. So I need to try it maybe I download another app to download another DEB adapt package to check it. Okay, let me try again. Okay, alright, let's see. Oh, installation failed. I don't know why. Maybe I just go to check, maybe update. Let me update to the latest version of the OS. It's already the update up to date version, and upgrade also. Why? Why? I think I can try, maybe I can just go to the yeah. Let's try again. Failure. I think maybe I just go to the website, directly go to QQ Linux version to download the QQ Linux. Okay, QQ Linux. And for the MIPS MIPS version, because of 3A4000 I'm using the dep package MIPS 64 and download it and try to install. Before you just, if you download it, you need to type the command dpkg to install. I'll just double click it and pull it there. Oh yeah, successfully installed. So this time successfully installed. So just pull it there to the package installer and type your password, which is so convenient. You don't need to type any of the command dpkg to install the app. Now we can check also the QQ installed. Yeah, installed there on the directory. The Tencent QQ. Yeah, that was a success. That is great. So when you install the Loongnix of your Loongson 3A4000 CPU or Loongx CPU, you have to install these two softwares. One is the 龙芯应用合作社 the app, another is the package installer.